So hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're talking about the drone. When you first think of drone, the only thing that comes to our mind is DJI. So this is the DJI is the world's best drone maker company in the world. So firstly, when I talk about a drone, many people wouldn't know what actually the drone means, like a full form of drone. The full form of drone stands for Dynamic Remotely Operated Navigation Equipment. So this actually is a full form of drone. So let me come back to the topic of DJI. DJI builds most of its drones, and the pricing of these drones are actually so high that when we hear the prices, like we feel shocked, like what actually is present in that drone so that it costs so high. So if I could show you a comparison of how much the cost is actually for a DJI FPV, like DJI FPV is the latest release of DJI drone. So the DJI FPV, like you could see here, this is called DJI FPV. So it costs around 1 lakh rupees, Indian rupees, 1 lakh Indian rupees for DJI FPV. It's just a small drone, as you could see here. So, and if I could tell you Dji Phantom 4 Pro, it costs around 1,40,000. You could see here, this is the Dji Phantom 4 Pro. So this drone is nearly this small, this size, which costs around 1,40,000. That's so high. And if I talk about more higher prices like DJI Inspire 2, which costs around 2.59 lakh. This is called DJI Inspire 2 drone. So, and at last, if I could talk about DJI Agro MG1S drone, and it costs around 8 lakh rupees, and this is called DJI Agro drone. So this DJI Agro drone is mostly used for agricultural purpose, like spraying of pesticides from the aerial view. So these drones are so expensive, and what components are actually used which makes the drone so expensive. So let's get started, guys. Now, why are drones so expensive? The answer to the question is so simple. If I could answer it a simple way, then as you can see, the nowadays drones comes with many features, such as it could go up to 8 kilometers in range, and it flies so high up to 400 to 500 meters in altitude. And if I could say, it also captures 4K resolutions of photo video recording, and it has high image stabilization. The altitude stabilization is also so high. So using these all technologies, obstacle avoidance, the drone can detect the obstacle in front of it. So all these technologies comes with a price. Obviously, these technologies doesn't come free. So working on these technologies are so costly. So to equip those technologies in your drone, then obviously the drone price should be very high. So that's why the price of all these drones are so high. Now the simple question comes to your mind, most of your mind, that why won't we use a cheaper product, like we could reduce the little camera quality, we could reduce the build finish of the drone, we could use the plastic instead of that composite materials, so that the price of drone actually comes down. But as you know, as of time you are watching this video in 2021, DJI is the only company that makes drones, like the most famous company, and there are many smaller companies making drones, but presently in the market, in the worldwide, DJI is the world's best drone maker. So there is no competitor for DJI. So obviously whatever price they charge for their drones, you should pay for it. Like you don't have any options, like if I could keep off DJI, you can buy any other drones with the same image quality, the same video recording, the same features like DJI. So being the top competitor in the, like a top drone maker company in the world, DJI, it keeps the price of the drones as it wants. So people who want it obviously will buy it. So this is why people cannot think of using low quality materials for a world's best drone maker, DJI. So it doesn't suit DJI. So they don't compromise in quality. They use best materials for their drones. So this is why we can't use cheaper products, and drone cannot be made cheaper with using cheaper materials. So now you might be thinking, all the drones which are flying right now, as you can see the drones, so they come with many features such as OcoSync 2.0. What is this OcoSync 2.0? This OcoSync 2.0 is a technology which uses this technology used for live HD transmission up till 8 kilometers in range. You might be wondering, there are many drones such as DJI Inspire 2, DJI Mavic and Mavic series, DJI Phantom series. So it could go up to 8 km in range, and then you could see a live video whatever the camera, the 3-axis gimbal is actually seeing. So the live HD transmission happens through OCOSync 2.0 technology. So this is equipped in most of DJI drones. The second is gimbal, 3-axis gimbal. That most of DJI drones, as you can see, is mounted with a 3-axis gimbal for image and video stabilization. As you know, gimbal doesn't come for a cheaper price, and most of the gimbals are actually priced about 10,000 and obviously most costlier too. So this is why most of DJI drones are so expensive. I think all these technologies makes the drone so costlier and so expensive. So I hope you like the content, guys. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share to your friends so that your friends also know why drones are really so expensive. So thanks for watching, guys.